Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you public switch telephone network, or people call that one as PSTN, public switch telephone network usage. Right? Before I'm going to explain about the public switch telephone network, first of all, I wanted to give you the clear idea what is the reason to move public switch telephone network. Take here a telephone called tel 1 and another telephone is here called tel 2, another one is here tel 3, right? This is another one and another one is here called tel 4, right? Then there are four telephones. I used with four people called Sam, Jim, and Nima, and Sam. What a Sam? Sammy, right? There are two persons. Yeah. Right. So if you when you think about the Sam wants to take a call for Nima, then we have to connect those two telephones together using cable. And if Sam wants to take a call for Jim, then we have to connect these two telephones using cable. And Jim wants to take a call for Nima, then we have to connect those two telephones using cable. And Sammy wants to take a call for a Sam, right? It is connected using cable. And Sammy wants to get a call for Nima, it is also use another cable to connect those things. If Sammy wants to take a call for Jim, it is another connection. Then by looking at this picture, then you can understand each and every telephone are connected using separate wires. This is very difficult task because nowadays we are using thousands of telephones together and we are communicating with the people without mixing each other. Right? So, as a solution for this matter, they have introduced us a new technology called public switch telephone network. In this lesson, I am going to teach you how do we draw a public switch telephone network. Right? So, right? Listen carefully. I look at the board. Then I will draw one by one for you. Right? So, I have told you the telephones, right? In here we use telephones, right? So I'll draw few telephones here, right? This is another one. Then telephone. It is better to write tel 1. Tel means telephone, right? Tel 2, tel 3, and tel 10. Right? So there are 10 telephones in here. These telephones are connected the unit which is located the nearest telephone tower. Right? This is also a telephone tower which is located for these houses, I mean the telephones. Then nearest telephone tower, right? There's a unit called DP, right? These telephones, 10 telephones are connected for this DP using the cable, right? Then this DP, this unit is connected another unit called cabinet, right? But especially in here you have to remember, when we connect these two, don't draw these lines, you have to use underground cable to connect DP to the cabinet, right? This is called underground cable. Underground cable. Right? Especially you have to remind in here, you have to remember for one DP, we can be connected 10 telephones. And for one cabinet, we can be connected 200, about 200 telephones. 200 telephones can be connected for one DP. Then we can say one cabinet in here. Then we can say for one cabinet we can be connected 20 DPs, right, or 200 telephones, right? Then this unit is connected for another one. This is called MDF, right? This is called MDF. That means main distribution frame, right? Then this is very special case, right? Main distribution frame. Then many cabinets are connected for that. After that, this main distribution frame is connected to another important one. It is called special unit, and that is called, right, and you can see this is called exchange, right? Then many computers are connected for one exchange. Then using this exchanges, then they are connected to each other to build up a PSTN network. I think this is clear for you, right? So in this diagram we have to understand two things. When we try to get one unit, using telephone to another one exchange in here, there's a name for it. This network is called as access network, right? Then this network is called as access network. Then I'll draw the board and I'll draw it once again by getting you clear understanding about these two network types, access network and core network. Let's see what is access network and core network, right? We know telephone is connected for a DP. DP is connected using underground cable using unit called cabinet, and it is connected to MDF. MDF is connected for an exchange. Then telephone to the part which is used to connect telephone to one exchange, and this is also one exchange in here, right? Telephone, right? This whole part is called as access network, right? When we try to connect few exchanges together to build up a network, this is exchange 1 and this is another exchange here. I will write that one as exchange 2, and here I will draw another one that is called exchange 3, and there's another one in here that is called exchange 4, right? So another middle one I'll draw in here, and think this is exchange 1, right? There's another one that is called exchange 5. Then these are connected each other using cables, right? Then this whole part is called core network. Right? By explaining these two things, access network and core network, I'll stop this video here. I think uh, you have got a better idea about PSTN and how we apply PSTN in telephone network. Thank you very much.